In the bustling world of field operations, challenges abound. From maintaining equipment health to reducing unplanned shutdowns and ensuring effective scheduling of production activities, the list of tasks can feel overwhelming. And that's not even touching on the need to monitor operator performance and manage resources effectively. The complex dance of managing these tasks can often lead to inefficiency and increased costs. Enter the Kappa Operator Round System, a solution designed to revolutionize your field operations. A powerful tool that provides a comprehensive view of each operator's performance while enhancing equipment health, thus reducing the likelihood of unplanned shutdowns. With the Kappa ORS, creating operator checklists and mapping them to the relevant assets in the field becomes a breeze. Coupled with the feature of advanced scheduling, production supervisors can now effectively schedule production activities on time, every time. But that's not all. The Kappa ORS goes beyond basic functionality to offer resource allocation and operator performance tracking. With the added ability to monitor shift activities, the system provides an enhanced level of control and visibility into your operations. Performance analytics of workforce automation, real-time notifications and alarms. The Kappa ORS has got you covered. This system is designed to keep you in the loop at all times, ensuring that you are always one step ahead. And for those moments when you need quick access to standard operating procedures and checklists, the Kappa ORS comes to the rescue. With guided SOPs and checklists available at all times on handheld, normal or ruggedized devices, your operators are always equipped with the information they need, right at their fingertips. In summary, the Kappa Operator Round System is a comprehensive solution that addresses the most common challenges in field operations. From enhanced equipment health to advanced scheduling and resource allocation, from real-time notifications to accessible SOPs and checklists, the Kappa ORS is designed to optimize your operations and drive efficiency. So why wait? Embrace the future of field operations with the Kappa ORS and watch as your operations transform, becoming more efficient, reliable, and effective than ever before. That's the power of the Kappa Operator Round System.